So the Doogee S41 Max is coming very soon, but I do not know the exact date. But some of its top features has been leaked. So without further ado, let's explore the top features of this device. So the S41 Max has as you can see, a rugged design. It has a 16:9 aspect ratio display, and of course the device has a side mounted fingerprint scanner which is embedded on the power button. Also on the right side is the volume keys, on the other side is the SIM and SD card slot and a customizable key. The device has a 5.5-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display. I can't confirm for now if the display has any kind of protection. The device features a triple rear camera set up with a 13MP primary sensor. The front-facing camera is 8MP. The battery capacity of the device is 6300 mAh. I'm expecting the device to support at least 18 watts fast charging, which is pretty reasonable in my opinion. The device has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. I think this is very reasonable for a very cheap rugged phone. Currently the exact processor that powers this device is not revealed, but I'm expecting it to be a decent processor. So this device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It supports NFC, face unlock, OTG, and so on. So these are the top features of the Doogee S41 Max. This is the better version of the Doogee S41 and the S41 Pro. There's also another S41 coming very soon. It is called the S41 Plus. I'll probably talk about that in a separate video. Anyway, this is the update I have for you guys. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.